The first step to a successful tile installation is proper surface preparation. WonderBoard Lite provides a stable, flat, and level underlayment that protects your investment in tile or stone. It's moisture resistant for use in wet areas and can be installed indoors or out. Use 1/4-inch thick WonderBoard Lite for crack isolation on top of wood subfloors or countertops. 7/16-inch thick WonderBoard Lite is designed for use on walls, including shower walls. Before getting started, review the installation guide or the technical data sheet. You'll find easy-to-follow step-by-step instructions along with important information about subfloor preparation. You may need the following materials depending on the needs of your project: a scoring tool or utility knife, straight edge, a circular saw with a carbide tip blade, an electric drill with box beater and masonry bit, 1 1/4-inch cement Backerboard screws or 1 1/2-inch galvanized roofing nails, 2-inch wide fiberglass mesh tape, waterproofing material such as polyethylene sheeting or redguard, 1/4 by 1/4 by 1/4-inch square notch trowel, and polymer modified thin set mortar. Wear impervious gloves such as nitrile and other protection as recommended on our safety data sheet. Save time by measuring and pre-cutting all WonderBoard Lite panels before fastening to the floor, counter, or wall studs. To cut, score through the panel on one side and snap it off. A circular saw can also be used if you're making a number of cuts or cutouts. Exterior-grade plywood or OSB subfloors or counters should be a minimum of 3/4 of an inch thick. Plywood subpanel should be gapped 1/8 of an inch at seams with joists spaced no more than 16 inches on center. Mix polymer-modified thin-set mortar, such as VersaBond, according to the directions. Apply a leveling bed of polymer-modified mortar to the surface with a 1/4 by 1/4 by 1/4-inch square notch trowel. Place the 1/4-inch WonderBoard Lite panels firmly into the mortar. Lay them perpendicular to the plywood sheets to offset the seams in the floor. Leave a 1/8-inch gap around each panel and stagger them in a running bond pattern, like brick. Fasten each panel to the subfloor with Backerboard screws or roofing nails every 6 to 8 inches. Place screws within 2 inches of the edge around perimeters. Fill gaps between panels with thin-set mortar. Embed fiberglass mesh tape and smooth the surface. Be sure to leave a 1/8-inch to 1/4-inch gap at walls to allow for expansion joints. If you're installing WonderBoard Lite in wet areas such as showers, nail or staple 15-pound roofing felt or 4mm polyethylene sheeting to the studs first. Or you can apply redguard waterproofing and crack prevention liquid to the face of the WonderBoard. Fasten the panels onto the studs using the same 1/8-inch spacing as a floor installation. Be sure to fill the gaps between the panels with polymer-based mortar and embed fiberglass mesh tape. Leave the perimeter gap open for expansion joints. Once the panels have been fastened and the seams taped, you're ready to begin tiling. The type of tile or stone you're setting and whether it's on a wall or floor will determine the materials needed. Be sure to use the right polymer-modified mortar and the correct size trowel for the job. These will both be based on the size and type of tile you're installing. Once the tile is set and grouted, fill movement joints with flexible caulk or sealant. Custom Building Products offers a complete line of installation products for every type of tile and stone project. And when you use an eligible system of qualifying custom mortars and grouts, the entire tile installation can qualify for up to a lifetime warranty. Choose WonderBoard Lite from Custom Building Products.